Hey, what's up guys? Many people ask me about 1.5 3D complete fluffy setup for Galaxy devices. So today in this video, I'm going to show you my complete 1.5 3D fluffy setup. So let's begin. Okay, look at this lock screen. I apply fluffy wallpaper on lock screen. Now let me show you my home screen. Look at these 3D widgets and complete fluffy icons. Now let me show you control center. Keyboard. Look at this complete fluffy keyboard. Both light mode and dark mode. Look at these. Guys, if you want to apply this fluffy keyboard on your Galaxy device, then simply go to Play Store, search Gboard and download Gboard on your Galaxy device. After download, simply go to Setting. Now go to General Management, go to Keyboard and select Gboard by default keyboard. Now go to Gboard setting, go to themes and select fluffy keyboard theme from gallery. Look at this, I create many fluffy themes, dark and light themes. Simply select any one and set this image like this. Tap on next. Set 100% brightness. Tap on done and remember disable keyboarders. After disable, look at this, your fluffy keyboard enable on your Galaxy device. This is completely look like 3D fluffy keyboard. Guys, I provide all keyboard images linked on description. Simply download and apply like this. Now look at this control center. Guys, I already make separate tutorial video for fluffy control center, how to set this fluffy control center on 1.5. Simply check out full video link on description and set this fluffy control center on your Galaxy device. Now home screen. So I also make video for home screen, how to apply this 3D fluffy widget like this on home screen. I already make video. Simply check out the link on description. Now look at these icons. Then simply check out description. So guys, this is my complete 1.5 3D fluffy setup. Look at this lock screen. I provide this wallpaper. Also download link on description. So you also set this complete 1.5 3D fluffy setup on your Galaxy devices. So guys, I hope you like my 1.5 3D fluffy setup. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.